Hello, in today's video we'll look at the key difference between two phases of strategy testing, backtesting and forward testing. Both are essential, but each tests a completely different aspect of your trading. And if you underestimate one of them, it might trip you up. Not because your strategy is bad, but because you're unprepared for reality. So backtesting is the process of testing your strategy on historical data. It's an analytical phase where you check whether your system has statistical edge. You do it manually or with tools, and it helps answer questions like what's win rate, what's expected risk to reward ratio, how frequent are losing streaks. The outcome should be a data-backed foundation, giving you a clear idea of what to expect from the strategy. But backtesting tells you nothing about whether you can actually trade that strategy in real time. Forward testing means live testing your strategy in real time, preferably with the smaller risk, for example. And here's where reality kicks in. The trade doesn't always appear when you expect it. After 3 losses, the mind starts to doubt. There may be silence between signals, and suddenly emotions step in. Successful traders are the ones who can handle this kind of pressure. Not because they don't experience drawdowns, but because they have processes and mindset that keeps them steady. So, backtesting tests your strategy. It's a simulation. It helps you understand how the system behaves on data. Forward testing tests you, your discipline, your ability to wait, your reaction to uncertainty. Backtesting gives you confidence in the system. Forward testing builds confidence in your execution. And it's this combination that separates consistent traders from those who are still searching in the markets. If you want to build consistent performance, here's what I recommend. Backtest at least 50 plus trades. Do it manually or in our trading journal, which is much better. And focus on precision. Move into forward testing, ideally with a minimum risk. The goal is to stick to the plan. And then track your psychology. When did you hesitate? When did doubt creep in? How did you react to losing trades? Look for consistency. It's not about perfect results, it's about sticking to the system, even under pressure. This way you gain not just data, but also the inner confidence that what you're doing has a solid foundation. To put it simply, backtest is the mission plan. Forward test is the mission itself, but with smaller risk, for example. Successful prop traders aren't just the ones with strong strategies. They are the ones who can execute them calmly and consistently over time. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, or subscribe if you want more videos that focus on what really matters in trading. And let me know in the comments, what's your experience with forward testing? Good luck out there, and I'll see you in the next one.